The last point of this unit, that is introduction of wireless ad hoc network. The wireless ad hoc network is without any pre-configured infrastructure. In this type of wireless ad hoc network, there is no need of access point. Also, this type of ad hoc network can be deployable instantly into the, or we can say during the natural calamities. This type of network uses point to point communication for the transmission. This is useful during natural calamities, as there is no need of any pre-configured infrastructure, or we can say any access point for implementing the communication. There are some advantages of this type of wireless ad hoc network, which are nothing but instant infrastructure, disaster relief, remote areas, and effectiveness. The first one is, that is instant infrastructure. The unplanned meetings, spontaneous interpersonal communication cannot be rely on any infrastructure. Infrastructure needs a planning and administration. It would take too long to set up this kind of infrastructure. Therefore, ad hoc connectivity has to be set up in such situation. So such type of infrastructure can be established instantly without any pre-configured infrastructure. That's why it is useful. The another one is disaster relief. Infrastructures typically break down in disaster areas, that is during the situations such as floods destroys the bus stations, fire burns server. Emergency team can only rely on an infrastructure they can set up themselves. No forward planning can be done, and setup must be extremely fast and reliable. The same applies to many military activities, which has to be honest, one of the major driving forces behind the mobile ad hoc networking research. Next one is remote areas. Even if infrastructure could be planned ahead, it is sometimes too expensive to set up an infrastructure in separately populated areas. Depending on communication pattern, ad hoc networks or satellite infrastructure can be the solution in such situations. Last one is effectiveness. Services provided by existing infrastructures might be too expensive for certain applications. If, for example, only connection oriented cellular network exists, but an application sends only small status information every other minute, a cheaper ad hoc packet oriented network might be the better solution in that situation. The registration procedures might take too long, and communication overheads might be too high with existing network. The application tailored ad hoc networks can offer a better solution in such situation. Now we will move towards the disadvantages of wireless ad hoc network. There are three disadvantages, which are nothing but limited range, lack of central entity, and mobility of participant. The limited range is nothing but, as we have already discussed, the communication in such, or you can say by using such type of wireless ad hoc network, can be only within a very limited range, as there is no any access point, or we can say central entity, which controls the routing, or we can say medium access control. So that may be the disadvantage, due to which, or we can say due to absence of such central activity, there might be the problems for routing or medium access control into the communication. And the last one is mobility of participant. Due to limited range, user has a restriction on the mobility, that user cannot change its location within the range of that wireless local area network, which is very limited. So that may be the disadvantage of this wireless ad hoc network. The question can be asked in the university exam for 4 marks. Write a note on wireless ad hoc network. Expected points are the characteristics of that ad hoc network, such as without pre-configured infrastructure, communication can be established, no need of access point, instantly deployable point-to-point communication, and useful in natural calamities. In addition to that, it is expected to explain the advantages and disadvantages of this wireless ad hoc network whenever the question was asked for 4 marks. This is nothing but about wireless ad hoc network. Thank you.